then Tori, you can't do the movement correctly. So please keep your posture, feet a little bit wider apart than normal because we're going to do 2 attacks in between. Okay, so if you speak like this, then it's difficult. Yeah, so yeah, good. At the same time, it's not stiff, is it? You have to keep your balance a little bit supple in the body. So follow the Osoto as I again coming to the side, then in. If you think about it, Osoto is very important. The most difficult part in Osotogari is what? Which part is the most difficult when you do Osotogari? Getting your own balance. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah. It's difficult, isn't it? What's difficult in Osotogari, you know? Don't want. Okay. Probably, all those things are difficult. All of those are difficult, aren't they? But this part is difficult, isn't it? It's not the actual leg. I mean, I can put my leg in from here, can't I? But it's the actual getting the body in that's difficult. Okay, we tend to do this kind of movement. Yeah? So, to help you remember that you need to bring your hips forward first, think about keeping your toes, concealing my toes on the mat as long as possible. Okay? Bring my hips forward and then just at the end, I'm going to release my toes. Okay, so from here to the side, into position. So it's up to you to find your right distance. I'm small, short legs, that's probably right for me. So, and now I bring my hips through. Look at my knot is already the other end. My hips and then the leg at the end. So there, slide, then breathe. Okay. Important for the Osoto also is breaking the balance and keeping off balance. So I need to get his head towards my shoulder, this kind of position. Here. Okay, if this happens, look at my hand, if this happens, and I'm pushing him one way and trying to get him the other way. So, hand, shoulder, here to me. Okay, that's the Osoto. Ochi-kochi. So, both in the center, my upper body needs to be facing him. If my upper body starts to turn, okay, then I become weak. So sweep back, keep upper body facing him, facing him, facing him, facing him. Okay? For the kochi, the direction, bring my elbows together, pinning that corner. Where's the ochi? Here, more here. But my upper body is still facing it. Like this, here. Osoto. Here, close. Pinning here. So we're going to here. Okay? Let's go again, please.